So, a very warm good evening to everyone present here. Can I have good evening, guys, to everyone? So, we have the batch captains here, and eventually the day has come which we all have been waiting for. As we know that our coordinatorship session is going on, and today is the final round. Today marks the final round, which is going to be the interview round. As we all have been preparing for and fighting for being a coordinator. Now, the day has come, which we all have been waiting, means the interview round one. It sounds complicated, but I'll try my best to make it more easier so that you guys can feel comfortable. So before I go on starting, first of all, thank you so much for giving your best in all the sessions. Throughout the sessions, you guys were amazing and you gave some interesting performances. And especially I have called my another batch. They are 5 o'clock batch. We have a name of 5 o'clock, Inspiring 5 o'clock. Hi 5 o'clock guys, say hi.
Hi, sir.
So actually they are the new batch in the academy here and they have come as a spectator to watch. Because in the future, sure, they are going to work the same. What they have been doing it, they'll be doing the same one. So that is why we have got the spectators here and so that they can even learn. So thank you so much, Inspiring 5 o'clock. So now, let's go on and let's begin right now. First of all, one by one, I'm going to ask a question to you. So I'll be taking that person's name. That person is requested to show me that resume that you have prepared. And accordingly, I'll be asking a question to you. Be confident, be louder, and be presentable. Is that clear? I would like to I would like to see the resume of the very first person, competitor, Akarshit. Do we have Akarshit here? So, Master Akarshit, as you have mentioned in your interest, that I like to listen to music and play video games. As some people say, that playing video games harm us or it has negative impact too. But it's your interest. So, do you think it's going to help you or it is helping you?
Well, what do I believe that it is just for my hobby and it is not helping me? Well, this is my hobby to play video games. I like that. Just because of that, I play video games and I believe that it would not help in my future. This is not my passion or any other things. That's why I believe that it would not help me.
Okay. The next question I would like to ask. Imagine if you don't become a coordinator. So what will be your approach?
See, if I don't become the coordinator, then my approach would be surely that next time I would really try to become the coordinator, because if I can't become this time, then next time I will surely be the coordinator, just because I have done hard work. I have done so much hard work for that. That's why I believe that.
You have mentioned in your resume languages known Hindi, English, and Bhojpuri.
Yes.
Right? So can you speak some Bhojpuri?
की हाल बनी बबुआ खाना खाई लू.
Something else?
Just that.
Sure. Please clap for Akash. Okay. So after this, I would request Nidhi. Do we have Nidhi here?
Yes, sir.
Can I have your resume? Thank you. Okay. So, Ms. Nidhi, as you have mentioned here, that 10th qualification 97%. But I believe you have not got your result.
You said that.
Okay. That is why, right?
Yeah, that's why, because it was not allowed to make the resume. Otherwise, it was not allowing me to make the resume. That's why I uploaded. It was even saying to say BCom or colleges about, but I said not this much only.
Okay.
So that was the reason.
No, keep it with you.
Okay.
In the work experience, you have mentioned here experience as a coordinator of the captains.
Yes, sir.
So, just tell me, if you have already experience as a coordinator, so why do you want again to be a coordinator?
Well, I believe I have those qualities which a coordinator must having. I have experienced this thing that how I can lead the team, that how I have to make bond with each other, and also we have to improve each other. Because it's not only about saying that I am with you. No, it is about improving each other. It is about roasting each other. That's what environment I made, and I want it to be for longer time. And captains is the batch which has so much energy, and I really deserves to be the coordinator of this batch because I have several leadership qualities, and I have like confidence, which is very important to be a coordinator of a batch. And I believe that captains even like have
Really
experienced.
Sorry, I'm
Yes, Priya.
disturbing you here. As you have already experienced,
Yes,
right?
Priya.
So don't you think that a coordinator should be having a giving nature? So by keeping this thing in the note, you should be giving this opportunity to somebody else this time.
Yeah, it can possible as a not kindness, but yeah, there are few students and there might be a student who deserves this more better. But the thing is that we have listened in Hindi as well that अगर घोड़ा ही घास से दोस्ती करेगा तो वो खाएगा क्या? That's what the thing. If I will make friendship with my friends only, then there is what's the competition? Or I think here sitting everybody at least once they have become the coordinator. Then what's the need of them to become the coordinator? I believe in this thing that I must be giving this chance. But I want that competition should be more, which they will think that yeah, I earned it. That's what I believe.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you so much. Here's your resume. Thank you.
Thank you.
Clap for Nidhi, everybody. Come on. So, Miss Anjali, as you mentioned in your leadership, class representative, Andhra Education Society, Janakpuri, Delhi, acted as a liaison between students and faculty. So, but I have also heard someone saying that you get nervous on the stage.
Yeah,
So, what is that?
I get, but like in our class, I know everyone and I'm friendly with everyone is my friend and I know them, I know their nature and I believe that like I can handle their behavior, like what the behavior they will show me. And like really, I have cried in my class by when I'm like when I'm the monitor because like it provoke the persons, like they never like jealousy type. So like that's why I have some nervousness because they have like they all students make me feel that I cannot do it. That's why I have stage fear.
Really sorry, I'm disturbing you here. You have mentioned in your soft skills adaptability. So, what do you understand by this?
Like I'm like try to adapt myself in every environment. Either it is this academy, I'm trying my best to involve with everyone whom I don't know. Like I'm making friends with them. And like as in my class, in my tuitions, I don't talk with everybody, but with few people, I'm very good, and they know how I adapt with them and how I like how I'm good with them.
Thank you so much. Please clap for Anjali. Okay. May I please request, do we have Anuj here? Anuj? Please, Anuj. Resume. Please have the mic.
Guys, don't say that. It says because everything is professional.
Okay. So, Master Anuj, first of all, I want to know, you're fighting for a leader, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
So, do you believe or can we anticipate a leader to have this?
Can I answer you?
Please.
See, what I thought before making it that everyone, mostly students here came with printout.
So, you have.
Sorry. Mostly student came here with printout. But what I thought that it should be very easy. It could be very easy to have a printout. But in my mind, what came that I should do it by myself. I should write it by myself, by which it will look more good. And
No. The question is not about this. Question is about, I guess, professionalism.
yes, Bhaiya.
So if you yourself, because they may have this doubt, and it may pop up as an allegation on you that you have afforded this even a half paper. So don't you think, how will you tackle this allegation?
See, tackling this allegation is that it is just the first round. I have participated in so many rounds of coordinatorship. Means
Sorry to correct you, it's not the first round, it is one of the rounds and it is the last round.
yeah, it is one of the round and it is last round. And what I think that except of this round, I have given my best in all over the round. If I lose this round, but still I will have this confidence that I can become coordinator because of my previous performances.
Okay. The next one. Current profession, you have mentioned a title here, advanced speaker. What is this?
See, advanced speaker in the sense it means that speaking English in some advanced manner, such as using vocabs, adding some idioms into my speech.
Can you please tell any vocabulary which is advanced that you know?
Vocabulary such as we can say inherently. Inherently means basically.
Thank you. Clap for her. Thank you. First of all, guys, I want to say, as we are having our interview session round, and are you guys enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Maza aa raha hai? So I encourage each one of you, to all the participants sitting here, that just relax and give your best. It is the competition, not from anyone. It is the competition from you only. So you have to give your best, okay? Fine, moving on to it. Ishant Bhatt, you belong to Uttarakhand, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
That's great. I got to know your father is priest.
Yes, Bhaiya.
That's lovely knowing this. I want to know that as a priest, as you have seen your father, he sits in the temple, right? Does he sit?
No.
Then?
So if someone have problems, so he will come. That person will come home. So my father will tell the solution, and if he will arrange the marriage also.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So Ishank, I believe you are one of the youngest among everyone. So do you think you will be able to lead the batch, captains?
Well, what I believe that I can able to manage the batch because from when I joined the Bury, so from joining the Bury and till now, I have improved a lot. So I think if I will get a chance to become a coordinator, so I will manage my batch and I will improve it. Because people think that child cannot do things, but I will show them.
Oh, interesting knowing, eh? Okay, what is something that you like about yourself?
I like about myself that I initiate.
You initiate.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the benefits of initiation?
Well, by initiating, one thing will improve a lot. That is confidence. As people think that I will initiate after him, after her. I will initiate after that person. But initiating at first, so there will be a confidence. I can initiate. I can speak in multiple people, front of multiple peoples.
Thank you so much. Hope for the best one. Thank you. The next, Dipanshu. We have clap for Dipanshu. So, Dipanshu, in your skills section, the spelling of problem is wrong. Problem solving spelling is incorrect. So, didn't you check this?
See, Bear, that about the problem mistake. See, I was in a hurry because I forgot about the resume and I just make it in a hurry. That's why it happened.
You made it in hurry, but didn't you recheck it?
Because I mean, you know that I live in Bhagwati Vihar. It takes 20 to 15 minutes to reach academy by running. So that's why I didn't check because there was no much time.
Okay. As you just mentioned that you forgot and you were in hurry. First of all, if you are forgetting the integral activity which we had organized, so you are forgetting the round we are going to have. So how can you expect yourself that you will be leading a batch from the front?
See, for this thing I want to say that I remember that I have to make resume, but I forgot to make that resume. Means I was having a lots of work of my school work.
No. Do you think, are you giving justice to your answer right now?
What bear?
Do you think, are you giving justice to your answer saying this?
Yes, sir.
Hard work and all. Because what about them then? What will they say then?
Yes, of course, I am doing justice with my work and the words. I know that they also have their own works, but I have to submit others' work also in the schools, and I was having others official works. Means you can say that submitting my homework and other stuff of ninth.
In your hobbies, you mentioned dancing.
Yes, bear.
Do you know any form of dance?
See, just I don't know the moves and other. Just I love to enjoy in the form of dance with my friends, with my parents, and other stuff.
Thank you. Okay. Shagun. Clap for her. Okay. Shagun. You better look there only. Shagun, what's the name of Shagun, by the way? Do you know the meaning of your name? What's the name?
Holly.
Meaning.
Holly.
Holy.
Shubh.
Means Holy Shiv.
Shubh.
No, I understood that. I was. There's one more word which we can use. Pious. Right? At the place of holy. Shagun, I think it's been a week even to you.
Yeah.
Right?
It's 5th day of.
It's fifth day. Oh my God. So still, as you were allowed to take part in the coordinatorship, but you don't have any experience. Neither you weren't the part of captains. You don't have any idea. So do you think? Do you really fit for the coordinator?
Yeah, I really think because where I want to feel that what is coordinator living them. I know that with conversation that what is coordinator by Nidhi Di, they explain me a lot of things about coordinator.
Okay. You want to be a cardiologist, right? What is the work of cardiologist?
It's a heart and veins doctor.
Oh, that's great. Can you please tell me something about heart?
Heart, yeah, where
Please tell.
heart is our main part of body and it pumps blood also. So that it was the idols of my father.
Okay.
But they are not in the world. So I want to become a cardiologist. That's why it's my dream.
Lovely, lovely experience. Thank you. Okay. So, Punjabi. Oh my God. You have written in your language proficiency Hindi, English, and Punjabi. So, may I please request you to speak something in Punjabi if you know that? What's that?
की कर रहे हो
Ki kar rahe ho? Oh. Something else?
खाना नहीं खा रहे थे तुसी
Oh, nice. So, I don't know what should I reply, but thank you. Thank you. Yash. Thank you. Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Feel like I have Zol C here. Okay. By the way, you're looking smart.
Thanks, Via, for your compliment.
Thank you. Okay. Career objective. You've written seeking to apply my abilities and enthusiasms to a part-time role as a service member at Budding English Academy. What do you mean by this?
Just because right now I've done with my 10th board exam, so I love to spend the time in the academy, in Budding English Academy, just to do some works, and I got to know the management as well as like I was working with. I was doing so many works with Nikhil Bhya, so I got to know that how to manage the library, how to manage the environment, how to manage the kids wing session. So I got to know so many things. So this.
Okay. As you know that there are two things. There will be declaration of two things on Sunday. Coordinator and the president of Achievers.
Yeah.
So if you get a chance to be one, president or coordinator, so what will you be choosing?
Okay. First of all, I would like to choose both. But if I get the opportunity to choose one, so I would choose the president one. It would be more good because I'm the leader, but not a dictator.
Sir, excuse me. Isn't it showing selfishness? You're participating in the coordinatorship competition. You are seeking for a president position?
No. Let me just answer that. No, it seems that like I would be clever, but no. I am thinking about the big dreams, because if the big dreams so big, like the more efforts I will do for my work. Like coordinator, it's a dream for me, but yeah, I can achieve that, and after 3 months. Like after 3 months, but the president, it's once in a blue moon. So I don't want this opportunity should be vanished in my life.